So when a plumber says you need a major repair, a second opinion can save you time and money. At Able Plumbing, we've served homeowners for over 20 years, and we are locally owned and operated. We're the people you can trust because we only recommend what's truly required, and we back it up with quality work. Call Able Plumbing today for a free estimate from your plumbers you can trust. I'm Maury Harrington, and I'm a plumber.
The name